Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mansi. I hope you all are safe and doing well. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching part 1 of this video. It was my first video about ground staff vacancies and everything about ground staff job. And as I promised, I said that I will be making a part 2. In this, I will be covering the ground staff interview questions, and this is solely for the interview purpose questions. I Because that video was going too long, and I didn't wanted you to confuse yourself with questions, the criteria, responsibilities, salary, and falana dimkana. That's why I thought I will make another video. And as I said, here I present you grounds. Sorry, it's always coming in my mind in my mind that cabin crew. But here comes the ground staff interview questions. Stay tuned, watch until the end. Without any further ado, let's get into our video. So before I start this video or with our questions, I would like to tell you that when you go for an interview, ground staff interview, there are going to be 3 to 4 rounds. And as per my research and when I asked my friends, I came to know that right now they are just doing 3 rounds. So the first round will be personal interview with the the interviewer, and the second round will be a GD round, that is group discussion round. So usme mostly group activity hoga, ya fir they will check how do you perform with your team and stuff like that. And the third round will be your HR round, wherein you will be discussing your salary systems and the responsibilities, rules and all that. If you reach till that down round, सोच लो आपका हो गया है काम, and हो ही जाएगा, because if you are prepared and determined to have that job or that profession, I'm very sure you're gonna get through it. And have faith, please work hard and don't take interviews lightly. ऐसे मत सोच के जाओ कि हो जाएगा, ऐसे नहीं होता है. It's 2022 guys, 21st century. Things are getting very much in competition, so make sure you give in your best. So now let's move on to our main part, that are questions. So the first question is, tell me something about yourself. This is the universal question guys, magical question. किसी भी profession में जाओ, कहीं भी जाओ, आपको ये पूछते ही है, tell me something about yourself. This question is very old and it's like amar question hai ye. It's like immortal question. This question will never go away, this question will never die. And I would not want to stretch it more, because you know what you want to tell you about yourself. Just tell about who you are, where you are from, what do you like to do, what do you do in your day. That's it. And the second question we have is, why should we hire you? Now ground staff is something, the business is completely different. Me as a crew, I've given 2 interviews in my life, and मेरा जो profession है, I never got asked this question. But if somebody asked me why should we hire you, I would reply that I see myself working for your company and I really want to learn and grow in your company. That's why. And तारीफ करो यार कंपनी की, मतलब क्या ही है अभी. You're going there, of course you are selecting that company because that company has something in that. That's why you're going there. I'm not saying other companies are not good. It's not like that. You work for the company where you will get knowledge and you feel that thoda हटके झटके है वो company है. So yeah, so this is the question, why should we hire you as a ground staff? So you would tell that, of course. And the third question is, what is your greatest strength and weakness? This question is also very common question guys. हर एक profession में पूछा जाता है. You as a person, you will know what is your strength and what is your weakness. I think each and every individual on this planet knows कि उसकी weakness और उसकी strength क्या है. So just prepare a nice, be honest. Just tell them honestly क्या है strength, क्या है weakness. And I'm sure if you be honest, they are going to hire you. And the fourth question we have is, tell me about your family background. So this is like, पूछे तो पूछेंगे वरना नहीं, but this is also one of the question which they ask. So when they ask you this question, don't tell them मेरे मामा फूफा ये वो है. Family background ऐसे ही बोलना है. You belong to a nuclear family and your mom is a housemaker or she's a working woman. Your dad is serving in army. Like my dad did. So love you, Papa. So your dad runs a business, or your dad goes for a job, 10 to 5, 9 to 5 job, or your dad is having his own, you know, whatever, just family background, basic, keep it short and sweet. You do not have to tell everything. मेरी फूफा वहाँ रहते हैं, मेरी चाची लंदन में रहती है, and all that stuff. Not needed, guys. And the next question, fifth question is, why are you interested in this position? So as I said, ground staff has three criteria: customer service, ramp, and security. So it's very common. You will obviously tell them कि आपको इसमें इंटरेस्ट है इसलिए आप जा रहे हो. You are very good your communication. If you know you're going for customer service, you can just tell them that, ma'am, I really like to interact with passengers, and you know, and my communication is very nice, and I think I can, you know, I think I am adaptable with all kinds of passengers and all that. मस्का मा लगाओ, भर भर के मस्का लगाओ. It's not like you know, I do believe and also I do not believe in fake it till you make it, but कभी कभी ज़रूरत पड़ती है. एक क्रू ही क्रू को समझ सकता है. Again, please pardon me for my acting. It's 0. And the next question we have is, what do you know about ground staff? So मेरा वीडियो देख लेना, पहला वाला part 1, उसमें मैंने बताया है. And also there is Google, you can just Google it. And I think अगर if you are serious about some profession or something, you will of course do your research and you will go. So आपको पता होना चाहिए, आपको पता होना चाहिए आप किस में जा रहे हो. So it's very important. And the next question is, what do you know about this airline? Now आपको ये मस्का जो आपने लगाया है ना, वो HR निकाल लेगा कि जब बोल तो दिया कि एयरलाइन ऐसी है वैसी है, आपको और क्या पता है इस एयरलाइन के बारे में. So you can just tell them that, you know, this airline was found this many years ago. This is the CEO or this is the owner, and ये statistics बताना. It's very you know, good thing to tell the company about their growth. They will love that. Everybody, even we as an individual, would want to know कि हम कहाँ से कैसे grow हुए हैं. What is our graph? So this question, if interviewer asks you, if मेरे को पूछा रहता तो मैं इतना सही से जवाब देती ना, so मतलब खुश हो जाएगा. खुश कर दो बंदे को, यही करना है आपको लाइफ टाइम. Just kidding. And the next and very important question we have is, are you willing to travel and relocate if the company requires or asks? Guys, aviation is something, there is no stability when it comes to living. आपका स्लीप पैटर्न, आपका स्केड्यूल, आपका रहना खाना पीना जगह सब चेंज होते रहता है. ग्राउंड स्टाफ का थोड़ा मतलब क्रू और ग्राउंड स्टाफ में इफ वी डू द डिफरेंस ना, क्रू यहाँ पे है और ग्राउंड स्टाफ यहाँ पे है, पूरा नीचे नहीं है. इट्स नॉट लाइक दिस और लाइक दिस, इट्स लाइक दिस. ग्राउंड स्टाफ को भी बहुत सैक्रिफाइसेस देने पड़ते हैं जस्ट लाइक क्रू. इज जस्ट दैट अगर ग्राउंड स्टाफ लकी हुआ और वो उसी सिटी में उसको बेस मिल गया, फिर तो भाई की लाइफ सेट है. अदरवाइज you have to say this, yes, I am willing to relocate, but ask yourself if you are. ये इंटरव्यू में जाके मत डिसीजन लेना कि मैं हूँ या नहीं हूँ. नो, यू हैव टू डिसाइड पहले, then go for interview. If you are willing to relocate, say yes, because that's how they are going to hire. if आप चौड़ में बैठोगे कि नहीं भाई मैं तो relocate नहीं हो रहा, मुझे इधर ही दे दो, they will not do that because there are thousands of waiting. Please understand the, you know, sensitivity. So yeah, just kidding. But if they ask you this question, you have to say yes. There is no going back. And the second last question, and my favorite question is, where do you see yourself after 5/10 years? This is also the third universal question after tell me something about yourself and what is your strength and weakness, and then comes where do you see yourself after these many years. So guys, you are the best judge of yourself. You know where you want to see yourself after this many years. Even if you're not, it's okay. You don't have any plans, it's okay. Just be honest. I want to grow. I don't know where my journey will take me, but it's just that I don't want to stop working hard and putting all my efforts, and whatever I will do in my life, I just want it to be you know hardened and how to say this, like independent and successful. That's what I will I can tell from my end. But you know what you want to say in your interview if they ask you this question. And the last question for this video is, how do you work under pressure? So if you have worked before, and if you change your job, and you are giving for this going for this interview, you would know what to answer. But अगर कोई फ्रेशर है, अगर वो जा रहा है और उसको ये क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, so just tell what you used to do in exams. So studies is also some kind of work you are doing. सो जस्ट टेल कि आपने कैसे मैनेज किया आपके एग्जाम के टाइम पे, क्योंकि प्रेशर तो भाई सबको होता है एग्जाम के टाइम पे. इट्स लाइक अ रियल प्रेशर, बिकॉज वाइल आप जब एग्जाम दे रहे थे तब यू वर डूइंग योर वर्क. सो आपने कैसे मैनेज किया, सारे सब्जेक्ट्स आपने कैसे मैनेज किए. सेम वे एक्सप्लेन हाउ यू वर्क under pressure. Some people will be saying that I tried and breathe out. I try to calm myself first and all that stuff. So yeah, this question बहुत कम पूछते हैं, but if they ask you, just you should know what you want to answer and just be honest. और कुछ ऐसा मत बोल देना कि नहीं मुझे सब दे दो काम, मैं सब कर दूंगा. ऐसे नहीं होता है. Just be honest and try and answer. Think and then answer. So yeah guys, that's it for today. That's all questions I could gather, and I told you like there are I think 7 to 8 questions which I just said what like these are not solid कि यही पूछेंगे, but मेरी रिसर्च के हिसाब से ये questions they might ask. So be prepared. All the very best and do not panic. These are very generic questions. ये आपको आपके एक्सपीरियंस के बेस पर ही पूछते हैं. ये कुछ दूसरा नहीं पूछेंगे कि इस कंपनी के ओनर की सैलरी कितनी है, ऐसा दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू आस्क यू. सो डू नॉट पैनिक. प्रिपेयर योरसेल्फ नाइसली बिफोर एवरी इंटरव्यू, एंड प्लीज टेक इंटरव्यू सीरियसली, बिकॉज it's not a joke. It's like once in a lifetime kind of an opportunity. So do your best, and I'm so sorry if I was doing this, because ever since I had COVID my breathing has been little slower. So मैं जब भी ऐसे excitement में बात करती हूँ I feel tired or like very easily. So please pardon that. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful. So if you like this video, kindly share it with your friends and family. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you soon. Bye bye. Thank you.